Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. We got a late box in, and I think this is one you're going to want to see. So this is our mahogany duckboards. I haven't seen them. I have no idea what they look like, so you're going to see my reaction right out of the gate. So let's open these things up, and more scissors. The package good. I'm good with that. Guys, if you haven't seen it, we just did a video on the radio and just kind of us hanging out in the garage and all that, and it is worth a look. Get all these things out here. Jesus. Okay. Find our way in here. I think these are the rears. Definitely looking at the wrong side of them. Okay, let's figure this out here. How do we do this without killing it? Without stabbing myself in the face, as usual. Yeah, come over here real quick. Pull that green off of there. See if we can get that off of it. Okay. We have duckboards. We're very ducky. These are going to be the rears, I believe. They're the long ones. And I believe there is another one for the front somewhere. Oh yeah. Our mahogany duckboard, stained to match our steering wheel. Our steering wheel. So this should be the big portion of the back, and then this. Look at this. I'll kill it. There we go. And then this is going to be, oh shit off of it. This is the top part, which is really, really nice, guys. Supported really good in the back. And these are sharp. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stop this video here. I'm going to go out and set the tripod up, and we're going to install these in the car. And we also have the other box over here with the fronts. And we'll get all this opened up and installed, and bring you along for the ride and go from there. Thanks for watching Brown's Rod and Custom, guys. Hey guys, welcome back. I guess this is part 2 of the duckboards. We went ahead and set them in. Give you kind of an overview from the top. Here's the, these are the black and red cocoa mats underneath. You got the duckboards here, which I think look fantastic. And you got our new speakers we just put in. Our new Thing Shop back seat. Eddie, this is your back seat with the new cover. We got the Duckboards in here. These are mahogany, and they were basically made to match that, you can see. I'm still trying to decide whether I'm going to put a like a urethane or some kind of coating over that, like a clear coat. But yeah, there you go, guys. They fit great. This is our new seat track we'll be installing tomorrow. The seat is actually the driver's seat's right there. Eddie, that's your seats, buddy. We got the radio that we installed earlier. It's in there. I've got some videos coming out with that. Us just hanging out in the garage. And then we got the duckboard up here. Now there's a mat coming to go under this. I just don't have it yet, but I went ahead and set the duckboard in just to see it. So we are starting to look like a car. I almost don't know what to think about it. All the design cues that I've had in my head, you know, the duckboards, that steering wheel, that shit. Well, I really wanted that shifter. Eddie just, you know, gave me a Christmas present. That shift knob, the cup holder, I mean, the radio, I wanted that in here. This is just, you know, you see things and you're like, I have to have that, you know. Smoke taillights. That one I just got to put back on. Our own license plate frames. I mean, how cool is that? Car's coming together, guys. Hope you guys like this. Hope this was helpful for any of you looking to maybe buy duckboards or cocoa mats. The duckboards, just so we're on the same page, they are made by, you buy them through thingparts.com. That's who I got them through. Mike has a carpenter in Texas who custom makes them. So if you've got a certain stain color or wood you want used or any of that, you just call Mike up and tell them and they'll make you up a set. I think this set for me was $800. And then I think I've got like $300, $299 or something like that in the cocoa mats. So not bad. Not bad at all. And then for those of you keeping track at home, rear seat backs were $250, and then the seat bottom Eddie gave me, but then I had to buy the upholstery kit from the Thing Shop, which was the seat, the upholstery for the bottom, the cover, and the cover for these, but I didn't put these on. These were just too good. I just left these alone, but so I got an extra set of backs if anybody needs them. But I did cover the seat here. I need to let it sit out in the sun a little more and set, but it looks great. You know, we got $355 in the steering wheel. Shifter was free, but I think if you got to buy it, it's $100-something bucks. Shift knob was $55, I believe. Cup holders $55. E-brake handle I think was $75, and steering wheel was $355. Yeah. So, and then if you get into like the radio, I got $305 in the radio, the head unit. And I've got, I think, $230 in all 4 speakers. And then I think I've got like $90 or $100 in the actual panels that they are mounted into, which came with the hardware and all the stuff. So not horrible, really. You know, considering I didn't have anything at all to begin with. So I think it turned out all right. I think tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and do these bars that hang here, that the seats, when they fold down, I'll get those and get that done, and then I'm gonna start thinking about putting a gas tank in this, and then we're gonna think about taking this thing for a ride. Is what we're gonna think about, and that's kind of where we're at, guys. So I'm gonna leave you with that. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it's helpful content for you guys to see some of this stuff as it's going in, and befores and afters and prices and all the things. I mean, I'm not hiding anything. This is what we got in it. And there you go. So thanks for watching Brown's Rod and Custom. Please like and subscribe to the channel. And we will talk at you later. Have a good one, guys.